Shri Ram Samartha. Hello everyone. You all are being enlightened with the knowledge regarding life after death through YouTube channel जे जे आपणासी ठावे. Myself, Mrs. Shruti Kulkarni, and I am voicing out this information which is studied and scripted by Purushottam Maharaj Kulkarni. Life after death, Chapter 2. Death is inevitable. We cannot avoid it. The one who is born is going to die one day. Maranam Prakruti Sharirinam. Death is word's basic sentiment. Even the emperors, saint, and religious leaders could not defeat death. मृत्यू न म्हणे यती, मृत्यू न म्हणे भूपती, मृत्यू न म्हणे करामती कैवार जाणे. Death belongs to body and not the soul. When the body becomes outworn, soul leaves the body and acquires a new one. Just like we change outworn clothes and wear the new one. When the body becomes dead, the death comes to a body in two ways. First, Kala Mrityu, that is natural death. And the second one is Akala Mrityu, that is unnatural death. Kala Mrityu comes when the body becomes old and outworn. Then how to identify that now there is going to be a natural death? Initially, the body becomes weak. All the teeth fall down. The vision gets blurred. Hearing ability becomes weak. Brain starts losing control over body. Throat gets choked with mucus. Speaking ability becomes weak. When we notice all these symptoms in a body, we can say that the natural death is approaching. Now, when the body attains the above mentioned condition, so when our sufferings according to our destiny and karma comes to an end, natural death approaches us. When we get birth, we are provided with the specific count of breath by the Almighty Creator. When that count comes nearby zero, natural death approaches us. When this breath count becomes zero, at that instance the body becomes dead. This death is a natural death. The second type of death, that is the unnatural death, when that approaches us, for example, a sudden death due to snake bite, a death due to sinking in water, a death due to suicide, death due to poisoning, an accidental death. Also the death occurring due to natural calamities and due to the pandemic or epidemic. All the above are the reasons of unnatural death. We cannot avoid natural death, but it is possible to avoid unnatural death. It can be avoided because of meritorious deeds and the blessings of saints and Sadguru. When we visit a temple and consume tirtha, that consumption of tirtha can also save us from unnatural death. How this consumption of tirtha saves us from Akal Mrityu? And what is the procedure to make this tirtha? You will get the answers to these questions in next chapter. To get enlightened with the knowledge regarding life after death, listen to all the chapters. Subscribe the channel Zeze Apanasi Thave, like and give your valuable comments. Thank you.